We are at the Bridal Showplace show at the Sky Room in beautiful downtown Long Beach, and I'm here with the Sky Room's main guy, the guy who, without him, you have no wedding because you can't get married. He's the guy who marries you. How you doing? What's your name again?
My name is Alan Katz with Great Officiants.
GreatOfficiants.com is your website, and you have a chapel actually in the building here, don't you?
Right, well, there's two chapels in the building. There's my cute little chapel, which seats 25, and then there's the big chapel downstairs, which seats about 200. And that's where the big show is going on.
Yeah, we're streaming that live right now, and everyone's seeing it online. It looks really great down there. A lot of fun show. The Sinatra guy was out there just now.
Yeah, isn't he great? Isn't he
really
great?
good.
He was spreading the news.
Yeah, he's probably almost as good of a singer as we are.
I think I'm a professional singer anyway.
Yeah, exactly. So you're not the singing wedding officiant, are you?
I do sing. I do sing at weddings, yes, if needed.
Yeah, not necessary.
Not at every wedding, but I think all weddings should be fun and romantic rather than that boring wedding that you've been to. I believe weddings should be enjoyed and not endured.
Right. So you're more of a personalization kind of a pastor where you do what they want and kind of help them make their wedding awesome.
Exactly, and that's what every wedding should be. It should be a celebration rather than a preach fest.
Okay. Now, if people can't get you, let's say you're not available, do you have a team behind you?
Well, what's great is I have a team of 22 officiants, and they're always available. This is my office staff.
Okay.
Veronica
awesome.
and Allison.
Okay.
And they make everything happen. They help schedule it. If I'm not available, I have the whole team. We have priests, rabbis, ministers, Spanish speakers, Chinese speakers. We can pretty much handle any type of wedding at any location in Southern California.
That is incredible. So let's say you have a couple who you're going to marry, but they want to slay a live goat and then drink the blood. What do you think of that?
I think it's great. I think, it'll get my goat. I mean, and if they don't work out, too bad.
That's outstanding. I think he's not being sheepish at all about this, are you?
No, I'm not. I'm just trying to pull the wool over your eyes, though.
I can tell he's doing that. That's great.
Don't get Angora at me. So.
He's got a million of them, and he's got great personality. If you just want a stoic, boring wedding, do not call Alan or his team, because they will definitely take care of you and make sure your wedding is fun. His staff here are there to take care of you. And let me get your names one more time.
Allison. Veronica.
And how do you like working for this guy?
We love it. Every day is an adventure.
It is. Outstanding. Well, you're in a great business. Looks like you're doing a great thing here, and thanks for talking to me.
Well, thank you, and have fun today, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Yeah. Oh, that's the one thing I want to talk about. It's a Bridal Showplace show. What are your feelings about the way they do the shows here for Bridal Showplace?
The one thing I like about the Bridal Showplace shows is they know how to do it. They know how to publicize the show. They know how to get the people to the show, and once the people are at the show, they know how to make the flow work perfectly. So people don't come to the show going, oh, what do I do? I mean, I've been to other shows where they're completely disorganized. This show is how it's done. They know how to do it. They know how to bring the people in, and they know how to bring the vendors in, the right vendors. This is what people are looking for. People who are looking for getting their wedding done, they're looking for the right vendors, for the professionals.
Yeah, the top tier, the ones who won't let you down when it comes to your wedding. And that's outstanding. And the thing about Bridal Showplace is they don't do just the one show at the Sky Room here in Long Beach. They do shows all over Southern California throughout the entire year. So, once again, James here with 5 Stars TV with the wonderful Alan team of thegreatofficiants.com. Make sure you visit their website, check them out. And if you get an opportunity, make sure you come out to see a Bridal Showplace show sometime near you in a town near you.